Market close. Let's quickly pull up Vedanta on your screens. The numbers have just come in and it seems that the numbers have mid-street estimates overall. If you see in terms of the EBITDA, 11,466 is what the number has come in at. The expectation was around 12,356, so a miss coming in on that front. In terms of the margins as well, the overall expectation was 31.2%. That margin number has come in at somewhere in that 28 kind of a range. The versus was around 28.8, so that is also a miss. Revenue at 40,455. That number is a beat because overall the revenue number expected was 39,600 odd crores. So these are the key numbers that we are watching out for. But Mika, if you see in terms of the initial numbers, it seems that the numbers have mid-street estimates.
So if you look at your net revenue, they've, it's a slight marginal miss. Net revenue is up 4% at 39,115 crores versus the estimate of 39,500 odd crores. EBITDA has also seen a very marginal uptick of 3.3%, 11,100 odd levels versus the expectation of the street of over 12,300 crores. In terms of margins, they remain very flat on a Q-on-Q basis. The expectation was some margin improvement at 31%. However, it's come in at 28.4%, and net profit is down at around 3,500 crores, and it's fairly in line with estimates. Higher material costs as well as power and fuel costs, which saw an uptick on a quarter-on-quarter basis, was what impacted the EBITDA. In terms of your segment-wise revenue, zinc and lead, it was up 4% in the India operations at over 7,000 crores. Silver was up 15%. These are largely what Hindustan Zinc numbers that had come in, and we'll get you more details once we get them.
Okay, thanks so much for that context, Mika, with regard to Vedanta's numbers. Not doing much in terms of stock price action. A little bit of volatility over the last few minutes, but largely in the green nonetheless.